Hi everybody and welcome back to HardReset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your Android device for the JLAB Rewind Retro 2 headphones. At first we need to open Play Store, and here we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for JLAB. Here we have a tap install button. It may take a while, don't worry, it depends on your internet connection on your phone. And here we need to tap open. Now allow, and before this whole process I recommend to be connected with these headphones. Here, now, as you can see, I am connected. And here we have the tap headphones. Allow nearby devices access. Allow. And here we do have our application itself. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.